Hi friends, I am Tanvishrai. Yesterday I went to Thalashery to attend my grandma's friend's daughter's marriage with my father, mother, grandmother and little brother. Then we went to Thalashery beach. There me and brother we played in the play area. We enjoyed playing in the beach. Water of the beach was very salty. After eating the ice cream, we went to Pashini Muttappa temple. Muttappa is famous god of Kerala. In Pashini temple, we done boating. Me and my brother, we enjoyed the ride. Then we went back to temple. After puja, we took prasadam. Finally, we finished the Thalashery trip. We reached home at 11 o'clock. Thank you everyone.